Many people don't understand the basic things about Facebook bidding strategy. Today I will discuss the Facebook bidding strategy and I will discuss the highest value, cost per result, ROS bidding or Bitcam biddings. Hello everyone, I'm Rakiubl Islam. I work as a freelancer. First of all, we go to our Facebook ad dashboard and that is our total budget, campaign optimizations, and the in the under is the campaign bid optimization by bidding strategy. Look at there, the many kind of bidding strategy have the higher volume, cost per result, gold, ROS, and the other is the bid campaigns. First of all, we'll discuss the highest volume. Look at that, our campaign objective was sales and I use the highest value and simply click the next option, and there is a many kind of options here. I will convert my customers. There is a many kind of options: the website, the app, site and app, the messaging apps, and the calls. The standard way is the website, and the next option is the performance goal. Discuss about Facebook highest volume. Highest volume means I told Facebook our daily budget is 5000 BDT and our bidding strategy is the highest value. Facebook try to create more than conversion to our campaign objective, and there is options. The next option is our performance goal is a maximize number of conversion. Facebook try to make the more than conversions in our campaign objective, and our campaign objective is sales. So basically, I will told the Facebook our bidding strategy is the highest value and our performance goal is maximize number of conversion. Facebook try to the daily budget optimization and he try to number of conversion value to provide to me, and that is the highest conversion value. Our next bidding strategy is the cost per result goal. Our daily or lifetime budget is 5000 BDT and our bidding strategy is cost per result goal. I choose the option is cost per result goal. Click the next options and there is the options here. The cost per result goal in the 600. That's mean I will say Facebook that is our total budget and the daily budget is the 5000 BDT. You create a conversion, you will never spend more than 6000 BDT to get a one conversions. That's mean I will say you Facebook you create conversions but don't spend more than 6000 BDT on per conversions. So that is for today guys. I hope you will understand the total bidding strategy. Is there any problem? Contact me, link in the description.